Hey everybody, Blox Guy here. Basically, what I'm gonna do right now is gonna replace this light with one of these. Basically, I got this is the light bulb I'm gonna use for that. But the one right there was already having burned, but it has those incandescent light bulbs. They don't look really similar though. It's the same one from like that one video I made for Shepherd, the Great Value lights, but instead they're kind of different for whatever I heard from. Anyways, we're gonna replace the light now. I've got to be really careful when I take this out. Got it out. Time to get the new one. Alright. Let's put it in now. It's right there. Now let's test it. It works. This is apparently a LED. Show it. Alright, so if the camera starts focusing, let me just... Right there, LED, it's an LED, recessed can light bulb. It was installed on that light, what we just replaced right now.